So what is better than one Infiniti G37X? So I was thinking just the other day how cool it would be to have a spare G37 for wheels, just all sorts of extra parts. And today I see one on the tow truck. I call my buddy and we've got another G37. I don't know how much, but it's not going to be a lot. We did get this one pretty cheap, so I'm hoping to get this one pretty cheap. This one had a title, this one doesn't. This one's been in a flood, this one hasn't. This one had amazing exhaust, but we still only paid $400 for this. We've got about 15,000 miles on it. So let's get the hood open and see if it starts. So underrated, I think. I'm getting about 25 miles to the gallon with mine currently, which I think is pretty impressive. For an all-wheel drive, 3.7 liter, almost 350 horsepower engine. Oh, and the struts work. My boots are cracked. These boots look good, but they're loose, so that's scary. Let's take this. Engine oil is there. Air filters are okay. All right, let's put a jump pack to the battery. Oh, it's got an Infiniti battery. Loose cable. Very loose. I don't know if I have a 10. I do. Infiniti actually gives you a 10 millimeter in the tool kit in the back of your car because they know your battery terminal is going to come loose. Maybe, but that's not getting tight. So we'll just really crank it on there. Okay, all the lights are on. Kind of like me, but nobody's home. Okay, things are clicking. Maybe the security. Here's the key. Oh, okay. All right, so that's a good sign. Put the key in there, that's good. Goes to 1. Oh, we got some. Again, it has been flooded. 181,498. It wants to turn over, maybe. All right. Well, unknown that way, but hey, my jump pack might be dead. Who knows? Either way, I got something, probably a freaking big spider. Something's on me, but this is gonna be a cool project. Either way, I got a new steering wheel. I guess we could pop the trunk quick since we're here. You know, the jump pack timed out maybe, huh? Does that happen? All right, either way, who cares? Wonder what the underneath looks like. Ooh, not bad. Maybe. Looks better than mine already, but I'm after the subframe stiffener, the wheels. Who knows? The engine's probably good. I would love to have a fender with a side intake of various things. So nice front bumper, but yeah, here we go. Another G. Little sister or brother, but you'll never see the road. Maybe a racetrack. That'd be sick. All right. It's a muggy Monday morning and we're back with the jump pack, a better jump pack maybe. So let's just see how this puppy starts, if it starts, and then we'll go talk some money. So getting this new Infiniti allows us a lot of things. One, I've got a few gremlins running around this one that I like 90% sure I have contained, and I need to swap some parts. And you say, well, Carrie, why would you swap parts with a flooded car that you just bought from the junkyard? Because all the functions in that car work that don't in this. So the flood couldn't have been that bad. Plus, these are really susceptible to BCMs, water intrusion from the sunroofs leaking. I worked on these cars until 2014, so I'm pretty well versed with this model up until this year. I checked out after 2013. All cars went down the tube. Nothing good has been made since, and barely anything good was made then. This has the legendary VQ V6, which is an amazing bulletproof V6 capable of a lot of power. It's like the LS of V6s. I'm not a big fan like of Infiniti or Nissan. If I worked for Toyota or Lexus or another dealer, I could definitely say, hey, these are the two GRFEs are the best, which they are. They're better than, I put it like, you want to tier quick, we go Toyota, Honda, jeepers. Toyota, Honda, then Nissan, as far as my ladder would go. I just love these because I worked on them. I know them inside and out. I've got all the tools to do it. Maybe it was 400. Oh, it was. I only had 300 on me. So it's 400 and it runs. This one was 400 with a title and didn't run. Having the ability to get this other Infiniti at basically the second I thought of it is just literally a cherry on top. And I couldn't have come up with this either. This is all natural. Have a great day, everybody.